Hello everyone, I'm Avinash bringing back to you another session of SOLIDWORKS which will be good learning in COVID-19 situation. Let's take a look at some other tools inside SOLIDWORKS for working in oil and gas industry. See, this skid mounting system shows many of those capabilities. Pipes and spool are inside in this design. Also, the tube routing can be very important tool for us. Weldment is another key area to design, process and even the things like PN. Now, here we are having this kind of skid mounting system in which we are watching that there are many kind of pipe and spools are there, many kind of tube routings are there, some kind of structures, weldments and kind of fittings are also there. So how easy to design these kind of stuff in SolidWorks? Let us see. So here we just need to change our default view to pipe route view. This is a kind of section where we can save our display state, and it will help us concentrate on those areas where we need to focus on it. Like here we need to create a pipe spool fitting over here with these kind of fittings. So let's start with pipe design. Here we have libraries where we can get our fittings and other stuff pre-saved. We just need to drag it and use the proper one for which I need to use. Like this one is a flange which is based fitting on the motor directly. We just need to check it out, like we need to change the pipe section configuration or angle kind of stuff if we need to modify or not. If we right now we are okay with that. Then here we have another kind of fitting over here. This is the same fitting with the previous one, so I just need to use it same. Over there I had used 150 and PS4. Okay, so I just need to select that one. So as we are watching over here, there are two fittings fit over there in the assembly and two pipe route are started. So we just need to complete it, and we can see how easy we can design the pipe routing using SolidWorks. It is very flexible and very useful tool for oil and gas kind of industries or the industries in which pipe fittings and assemblies are using continuously. So here we can watch, like I had joined this one and I just need to remove this pipe. We can remove this one too. So friends, we can see like this pipe is connected within seconds. I just need to draw a route and it automatically takes its all the configuration, it's all the size and shape. I just need to draw a sketch how it should be going. We just need to check it out, it is going correctly or not. Yeah, it is okay for this. And now for this one, I just need to draw another pipe section over here to connect this one also. So let us see. Yeah, this one is a point command which will be very useful, and I just need to drag another flange over here and it will be like 150 and PS3. So now it is also the same, like a fitting over fit over there. And here we have a good command, a very much flexible command, which is auto route command. I just need to pick 2 points where I just need to create route, and SolidWorks done everything for me to generate the route for these 2 points. And I think like this one will be the best suits for me. I can even drag this one also if I need to drag it. Like I need to drag this one bit here. So for generating gap in between tank and the pipe, I just need to drag it. So now it is looking okay to me. Now I just need to select this one. I don't need to have radius over here, so I can delete it and I can rejoin this section over here. Now I'm looking like there is some kind of stuff missing over here. And what is that stuff? That stuff is T section. So we just need to add a T over here. There is a reducing T because both of the T's are different sections. So let's select that. Now it is looking proper to me. I just need to add one only. So as we can see, we are having a pipe section generated in between tank and the motor within 2 minutes only. I hope so it is not more than 3. Yeah. So after coming out of the sketch, we just need to confirm which kind of elbows we are using over here. So I'm okay with the providing data by SolidWorks. And yes, here we have a pipe route generated in between tank and the motor very easily. I just need to confirm it, and for publishing I just need to have some drawing as well for it. So let's move for the drawing section. First we need to open it in different model separately, and as we are watching over here, this pipe section is generated. It is looking very nice. Yeah. So we can generate it directly. We just need to move it, make drawing from the part and assembly, and I just need to select a template. There is a command where we can generate automatic view. So I just need to select automatic view, or we can drag it from here as well. Like I need to drag the front view first, then side view. I'm okay with that. And I also want projected view, which will be isometric one. So we can do it like this. It is very easy. So for drafting this one, we need some kind of center line as well. So we will generate center lines. Yeah, I just need to show it from here. Center line is there because our sketch is itself our center line. I just need one more center line over here. Yeah, we got it. So we can start the dimensioning. We can dimension it by using Smart Dimension tool under the SolidWorks section. It is very fast and provide us much more capability than other tools. So it is very easy to use, and how much flexibilities we can see by using it. It is very much flexible. So now dimensioning is complete. We need to move further. Like we need ballooning of this pipe section also, so we can generate balloons. And if we need balloons either one side or two side, I'm okay with the two side ballooning. We can check it out. And then if we need a kind of bill of material for this, so we can generate bill of material for this, because for manufacturing kind of stuff we need bill of material.